Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a lip swatch video. So today I'm going to be swatching the Essence Color Boost Vinylicious liquid lipsticks. So I did do a video not that long ago where I used some new Essence makeup. You guys really enjoyed that video, but I used one of these in that video and I asked if you guys wanted to see a lip swatch video and pretty much you guys said yes, so I thought I would do one. I also wanted to say thank you to the Heat group because I did provide these today so I could do the video for you guys. Okay, so I've got all of them here. I probably won't be talking too much through this video. I kind of just want to show you guys what the colors look like on my lips. I'm not going to do arm swatches. I prefer to just see what they look like on the lips because that's where you're gonna wear them. I can't remember how much these retail for off the top of my head, so I will put it on the screen right here. And if you want to see my last video where I used some new Essence products, I'll have it in the eye and I'll also link that down below. So before we get started, the only way I can describe these is that they are like a thick kind of gloss. They do feel like a little bit sticky, so if you don't like that, you might not like these. I, however, really enjoy them. I think they're really comfortable. I've been really into kind of glossy lips lately, so these aren't your typical matte liquid lipsticks. These are like a nice kind of glossy finish. So I did want to film this video much earlier, but my lips have been in really bad condition. A lot of you guys know like that my lips haven't been great, and a lot of you have given me really good suggestions as well. Some of you that don't watch me that often always go, oh my god, your lips are so dry, they look disgusting, I feel sorry for your lips. And I'm like, I know, I know. It's winter here. I'm just prone to really dry lips and my lips split. And I always wear balm. I always wear proper balms with vitamin E and everything. So I know. It's all good. So I've taken my lip product off. As you can tell, I do have a split in my lip. I have a habit of biting my lips because I'm an anxious person. And that's how I live my life, unfortunately. I know a lot of people who do that as well, but I wish I didn't. It's just annoying. So I am going to start off lightest to darkest. I'm going to start off with 3 Pink Interest. By the way, this is what the packaging looks like. Really cute. It looks like a squeezy tube, and then you open it up and it's got a wand in there. Okay, so we've got Pink Interest on the lips. I'll probably talk a little bit more at the start of this video, but as I get to the end, I probably won't talk too much. I really love the formula of these. They feel really nice. They've got a really good pigment to them for them being like a glossier lip. It's actually really not that sticky. It just feels more moisturizing, but obviously if your hair touches it, it's gonna go in your hair, but you know, that doesn't bother me too much. Surprisingly, I actually like this color. I'm not a big pink wearer, but this is nice. It just makes your lips look healthy. So the next one I've got is in the color Woody Rosy, and this is the one I wore in my trying new Essence makeup video. So another very beautiful color. This one has to be one of my favorites. It's just such an easy, everyday kind of color. It's just so comfortable. I love it. So the next one we have is Nude is the New Cute, and it looks very similar to the Woody Rosy shade. This one looks a little bit more warmer, maybe a little bit more orange toned. This is another really beautiful one. Oh my god, this is so nice. I feel so pretty with this one on. It's definitely warmer toned compared to the last one. Okay, so we're moving on to the reds now. The next one I've got is in the color Lollipop. It looks like a really nice bright red. I'm typically not a red wearer. I will wear a red, but for glossy, I'm a bit cautious of because obviously gloss can easily transfer. I reckon I might get this one on my teeth or on my chin. I'm sure it's really beautiful, but I'm not sure how many times I'm gonna wear it. I would love to wear it, but I don't know if I've got the courage. So this already looks a lot different to what I thought it was going to look. Okay, so we've got this one on. I was expecting it to be a little bit more red, but still very beautiful. Got no complaints. I feel like I should be in spring right now, but I'm still in winter here in Australia. So next one is a deeper kind of red, and this one's in the color Bite Me If You Can. It's a bit frisky, isn't it? So I've got this one on and I can feel a hair on my lip, but I can't find the hair. I don't know where it is, but I can feel it and it doesn't, oh, it's annoying me, but I don't want to touch my lips. Okay, so this one is very nice. It looks really beautiful on camera. I personally think this would be better if you had a lip liner or a matte lipstick underneath, just because it is such a bright color. I feel like this is going to move. It maybe bleed around the lips. So that's just my opinion. So the next one we have is quite similar to the last one. I think it might be a little bit deeper, and this one's in the color I'll Make You Blush. It's funny when you look at them in the packaging, like you can't really tell too much of a difference, but once you've got it on, there is quite the difference. This one's definitely more of like a berry kind of color. So last but not least, we've got this one here. It looks like almost black in the camera. I think it's like a dark kind of brown. This color is called I'm Dark, I'm Back. Okay, so surprisingly, I actually like this color. I think it looks really nice, especially with a simple eye. The only thing is it is a little bit patchy, and that is because it is such a dark color and it's also a gloss. So it is going to be a little bit inconsistent depending like how much you've laid it up. So same goes for the red shades. This would have to be something I would pair with a lipstick underneath or a lip liner, just to ensure the color payoff is perfect and that it stays put. My stomach is making noise. Hopefully you guys couldn't hear that. Okay guys, so that is it for my lip swatch video. I hope this video was helpful and you enjoyed it. So before you go, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell. Hopefully that will keep you notified when I upload new videos. You can come and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter and Snapchat, and also comment down below and let me know what other Essence videos you guys would like to see. I don't know why you guys love them so much, but you do. I feel like I always get the most views on my Essence videos and I've got no idea why. You guys just love seeing me try out their stuff. But anyway, I'll see you guys really soon in my next video. Bye.